learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka writer Ye Rusong was born in Fuli Township, Hualien County. His poetry and prose works are characterized strongly by the themes of recollection and gratitude. His most famous works, such as Chorus of a Hakka Childhood, have gained an international audience too, with translations into Korean, Japanese, and English. Ye Rusong is well recognized for his work in promoting and developing Hakka literature. He won the 2009 Outstanding Achievement Award in Hakka Contributions and the Hualien County Cultural Heritage Award.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lin Zepsu. It's Joseph Lin, hanging out here with Leo. And when Leo is around, he has the knowledge to share with us about food, people, and places.
其实我没有那么厉害啦，
蛮厉害的，
对对对
我蛮敬佩。
但是呢，其实客家有很多的人物是值得介绍的哦。
是哦，好，今天就不谈吃的，今天谈人。
好
All right, let's not talk about food this time. Let's talk about people. Let's introduce another figure, another well-known figure in the Hakka culture, in the Hakka community.
我今天要介绍这位先生呢，他叫做叶日松信三。
Okay, let's learn his name first. 他的名字叫什么？
叶日松叶日松。
叶日松叶日松。
嘿
Okay, what is he famous for? 他最著名的是
他的散文。
Okay, so he's very well known for his essays, 散文. How do you say that?
散文。
散文。Okay, 还有什么呢？
死狗。
死狗？这是什么东西？
他会写一些诗，
我只听到狗这个字，你知道吗？可是应该跟狗没有关系啊。
是没关系，他会写一些诗，
诗歌啦，
对。
Okay. Sounded like dog, but of course that has nothing to do with literature. It means poems or poetry. 诗歌，客语怎么说？
死狗。
死狗。Okay, that's how you say poems or poetry. 所以我们这位叶日松先生，他是现在还在写诗词吗？还是退休了呢？
都是，
都是
他一直都在写相关的这个文学创作。
Okay.
那他现在也退休了。那退休之后呢，他更是专注在推展一些客家的相关的文化，做一些文学的创作。
That's so cool. That's good. Actually, this figure, even though he has retired already, but he has dedicated himself even more into creating literature, like we said, essays and poems and whatnot. That's where Ye Risong is residing right now. Ye Risong.
叶日松。
叶日松. And he's well known for his essays, 散文, and also some of his poetry, 诗歌.
死狗.
And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
安子say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.